on today I will guide you about Dixon daily trade indicator. I hope you all have access of both trade generation indicators of Dixon. Okay. Dixon have two indicators, Dixon daily trade indicator and Dixon daily early trade indicator. Okay. For trade in Dixon option and Dixon future, always we have to use only one indicator of daily Dixon day trading. Okay. Only this indicator we have to use for trade in Dixon future and Dixon option. But for trade in Dixon cash, we have to use both indicators, Dixon daily early trade indicator and Dixon daily day trading. Okay. As per investment, you can select for trade in Dixon cash or Dixon future or Dixon option. Okay. But for trade in Dixon option and Dixon future, we have to use this first indicator of daily Dixon day trading. And for trade in Dixon cash, we have to use both indicators. Okay. For trade in Dixon future and Dixon option, always we have to apply this indicator in 15-minute chart. Okay. If anyone want to trade in Dixon future, then we have to open Dixon future chart. But if anyone want to trade in Dixon option, then we have to open chart of spot. Okay. For check setup in Dixon option, always we have to apply Dixon daily trade indicator on this Dixon spot chart. Okay. I am repeating you once again. For trade in Dixon option, we have to check setup of Dixon daily trade indicator on Dixon spot chart. Okay. We have to open this Dixon spot chart on trading view and we have to select time frame of 15 minutes and we have to apply this indicator of daily Dixon day trading. Okay. If anyone want to trade in Dixon future, then we have to open chart of Dixon future. For trade in Dixon future. Okay. For trade in Dixon option, we have to open chart of Dixon spot. For trade in future, we have to open chart of Dixon future. Okay. And this indicator is based on 15-minute time frame. So we have to select time frame of 15 minutes. Okay. Always we have to open chart in normal candles. Okay. Normal candlestick pattern we have to open. And we have to apply our indicator of Dixon daily trade indicator and Dixon daily early trade indicator if anyone want to trade in cash. But if anyone want to trade in Dixon future or option, then always we have to select Dixon daily day trade. Okay. Only this indicator we have to select. Okay. I am repeating the chart setting once again. Okay. First, we have to open Dixon spot chart for trade in Dixon option. If anyone want to trade in Dixon future, then we have to open future chart. Okay. If anyone want to trade in Dixon cash, then also always we have to open Dixon spot chart. Okay. Time frame we have to select of 15 minutes. Normal candlestick pattern. After this, we have to apply indicator. Okay. If anyone want to trade only in option or future, then always we have to apply this indicator only, which is available with the name of trend map daily Dixon day trading. Okay. You all have access of Dixon indicator in your invite only tab of your trading view. Okay. We have already provided access of Dixon indicators on user ID of trading view. First, you have to click on indicators tab. After this, you all have to check invite only tab. In invite only tab, you all will get access of Dixon indicator. Name of this Dixon daily trade indicator of future and option is trend map daily Dixon day trade. So first, we have to apply this. Okay. And if anyone want to start trading in cash also, then always you have to apply early trade indicator also. Okay, these two indicators for Dixon, all other indicators is for all segments. Okay, we have trade generation indicators of all segments. Okay, We have trade generation indicators of intraday also all segments. We have proven trade generation indicators of swing trading also of all segments. Okay. Right now, all traders who have joined for Dixon indicators need to apply these two indicators. Okay. Trend map, daily Dixon day trading and Dixon daily early trade. Okay. I hope you all have clarity. So we have to apply these indicators for trading Dixon. After this, always we have to select chart setting as a extended trading hours. Okay, I am repeating you chart setting once again. First, we have to open Dixon chart. After this, we have to select time frame and we have to apply indicators. Okay. After this, always we have to click on this chart setting option. You all will get option of this setting in your trading view in the right side in the top. Okay. In right side in the top, you all will get this option of chart setting. In this chart setting, you all have to click. After this, you will get this option of symbol. In this, you all have to select extended trading hours in this session option. I am repeating once again. First, you all have to click on chart setting, which is available in right side in the top of your trading view. If you click on chart setting, then you all will get this option of symbol. In this symbol, you will get option of this session. In session, always you all have to select extended trading hours. Okay. Always need to select extended trading hours. Okay. I hope you all already using TradingView. So time zone of India already available. So I hope this is already available in TradingView you all. Okay. So always need to select this extended trading hours in session. Okay. In session, two option available, regular trading hours and extended trading hours. So always we have to select extended trading hours. Okay. After this, we have to check setup using these indicators. Rule is very simple and highly effective. Okay, you all don't have to watch market again and again full day. For generate trade using this Dixon indicator, always we have to check market between 9:45 to 11:15. Okay, because this Dixon indicator always provide us proper trade between 9:45 to 11:15. Okay, setup of this Dixon indicator is based on two candles of 15-minute and 15-minute time frame. We have to first wait for 9:45. Whenever first two 15-minute candle, 15-minute candle will close, then we have to start checking our trade. Okay. So always we have to start checking trade from 9:45 a.m. Okay. Because setup of Dixon indicator is based on two candles of 15-minute and 15-minute time frame. Okay. We don't have to take any action before 9:45. Okay. Whenever we will get trade in Dixon indicator, then always we will get proper trade between 9:45 to 11:15. Okay. At the close of 11:15, we have to check last time if trade not available before 11:15 a.m. Okay. So first we have to start checking after 9:45. At 9:45, first two candle will close, then we have to start checking. Okay. If anyone want to trade in Dixon future and Dixon option, then always we have to check setup using this first indicator only. We don't have to check setup using this Dixon early trade indicator, because this Dixon early trade indicator we have to use for Dixon cash trading, because as per Dixon cash rule, we have to apply second indicator also. Okay, means if anyone want to trade in Dixon case, then we have to apply this early trade indicator also. And if early trade indicator don't have any trade on any day, then we have to check trade as per Dixon daily day trade indicator. Okay, so for cash trading we have two indicator. First we have to check trade using this early trade indicator, and if trade not available using this early trade indicator, then we have to check trade using this Dixon day trading. Okay. So for Dixon cash rule, we will schedule separate class. Okay. So in this, we will discuss future and option rule. If anyone want to trade in Dixon cash, then we will schedule separate class for Dixon cash. Okay. So this Dixon early trade indicator is for cash trading. In cash, we have to use both indicator. First, we have to check using this Dixon early trade indicator. If trade not available using this Dixon early trade indicator, then we have to apply this indicator. And if, for example, trade available using this indicator, then we have to follow these rules. If trade not available using early trade indicator, then we have to follow these rules. Okay, so for cash trading, we will follow these rules. Okay, as per rule of cash, need to place or proper order with entry target SL in cash. And as per investment, you all can select any number of quantity for trade in Dixon cash, because as per your investment, you can maintain number of shares in Dixon cash. Okay. On today, we will discuss about Dixon future and Dixon option. Okay. So now we will remove this indicator, because this indicator we have to use for Dixon cash trading. Okay. So on today, we will discuss about Dixon future rules and Dixon option rules. Okay. For trade using Dixon indicator in Dixon, always you all have to open this Dixon spot chart. In this Dixon spot chart, I am repeating once again. For Dixon option, we have to check setup in this Dixon spot chart. For trade in Dixon future, we have to check setup in Dixon future chart. But for trade in both Dixon future and Dixon option, always we have to apply this indicator of Dixon day trading. Okay. So for trade in Dixon option, we have to open this Dixon spot chart, and we have to apply Dixon indicator in 15-minute time frame, and we have to check setup of two candles. Okay. Setup of Dixon indicator is based on 0+1 setup and 0+2 setup. Okay. 0+1 and 0+2. Okay. 0+1, whenever Dixon indicator provide us 0+1 setup on any two candles, means we have long setup, right? Like today, on today we got 0+1. First, we have to start checking setup of Dixon indicator from 9:45 a.m. because first two candles of 15-minute and 15-minute candle will close at 9:45. Okay. After 9:45, we have to check at the close of second candle. We have to check we have 0+1 setup on first two candles, or we have 0+2 setup. Setup of Dixon indicator is very simple: 0+1 and 0+2. Okay. If 0+1 available, means in option we have to trade in call option, and in future we have to trade in long trade. If 0+2 setup available, means we have to trade in put option, in option, and we have to trade in sell trade in future. Only for future trading, we have to check setup in future chart. For option trading, we have to check setup in spot chart. Okay. I hope you all have clarity about chart setting. Okay. So I am repeating once again. Setup of Dixon indicator is based on two candles of 15-minute and 15-minute setup. Trade generation formula of Dixon indicator is coded in this indicator. Whenever buy condition of Dixon indicator will satisfy as per rule of Dixon indicator, then this Dixon indicator provide us 0+1 setup. Okay. If 0+1 setup available on any two candles out of first 8 candles, right? 8th candle of 11 a.m. will close at 11:15. So always this Dixon indicator provide us proper trade in first 8 candles. Sometimes we will get proper trade at 9:45, like today. Sometimes we will get proper trade at 10 a.m. also at the close of 9:45. Sometimes we will get proper trade at 10:15 also. We will get sometimes trade at 10:30 also at the close of 10:15 candle. Sometimes we will get proper trade at 10:30 also. Sometimes we will get proper trade at 11 also. If trade not available at 11 a.m. also, then always we have to check at the close of 11:15. Means at the close of 11 a.m. candle, means at the close of 11 a.m. means at the time of 11:15 we have to check last time. Okay. If trade not available till 11 a.m. candle, at the close of 11 a.m. candle, if trade not available in first 8 candles, then we have to ignore trade for the day. Okay. Trade not available using Dixon indicator till 8th candle, then we don't have to check. Whenever, as per rule of Dixon indicator, trade available, then always this Dixon indicator provide us proper trade till 8th candle. Okay. So we have some proper trade generation formula. As per rule of this trade generation formula, we have to check setup. Whenever by condition of trade generation formula will satisfy, then we will get proper buy trade. Whenever sell condition of trade generation formula of this indicator will satisfy, then we will get proper sell trade. Okay. On today, by condition of Dixon daily trade indicator will satisfy. Therefore, we got 0 + 1 setup. On first candle, at the close of candle, always we have to check. Okay. At the close of candle, always we have to check. In running candle, if 0 plus, for example, on first candle, we got 0. If you are checking between 9:30 to 9:45 and you are getting 1, then you don't have to take any action, because always we have to check at the close of candle. If at the close of second candle 1 is available, on first candle 0 available, and at the close of second candle 1 available, then we can take any action as per rule of 0 + 1. Okay. We at the for example, right now this candle is in running candle. Okay, on today we already got proper trade at 9:45, and we are checking only for example. For example, right now this candle of 10:45 is in running condition. Okay, if one is available on this running candle, then we will not consider one is one, because one is available on 9:45 a.m. candle or not. We will check at 11 a.m. at the close of candle. Okay, so always we have to decide at the close of candle only. If at the close of candle 1 available, means we will consider as a 1. If at the close of candle 0 is available, then we will consider as a 0. So at the close of candle only we have to check. Always this Dixon indicator provides us proper trade between 9:45 to 11 a.m. Means at the close of candle, first we have to check. If trade available at 9:45, then we will not check any other candle. Okay. If trade not available at 9:45, then again we have to check at 10 a.m. If trade not available at 10 a.m. also, then again we have to check at 10:50. In this way, we have to check till 11 a.m. candle. Okay, I hope you all have clarity about rules of Dixon indicator. Okay, so Dixon daily trade indicator is based on two candles of 15-minute and 15-minute. Trade generation formula of Dixon indicator is already coded in this indicator. This indicator provides us proper 0 + 1 setup. If this Dixon daily trade indicator provides us 0 + 1 setup, means we have long condition. If this Dixon daily trade indicator provides us 0 + 2 setup, means we have short condition. Okay. But on today, we got 0 + 1. On first candle 0 available, on second candle 1 available, means we got 0 + 1. 0 + 1 means we got buy trade. Buy trade in future and call option trade in option. Okay. So on today we got call option trade. So we will place buy order above the high of this one candle, but we will not check any other 0 + 1 setup of same direction. Okay. If we got trade at 9:45 a.m., then after 9:45 we will place proper order. We will not check any trade of 9:45 or 10 a.m. because, for example, we got proper trade of call option on first two candle. Again, one is available on 9:45. We will not check because we already got proper trade of 0 + 1. Okay. If we got any trade of call side, then we will not check any other trade of call side of same direction. Okay. So we will take action as per this new setup. Okay. If we got any other trade like this, if we got any other trade, we will not take any. Always we will take entry as per this first trade. Okay. I hope you all have clarity. Can we have to place a proper order as per rule of first 0 + 1. On first candle we got 0. On second candle we got 1. So we will place 0 + 1 setup. Okay, means we will place call option trade as per this 0 + 1 setup. Rule is very simple. Rule is very simple. Whenever we got 0 plus, first we have open Dixon chart in 15-minute time frame. After this, we have applied our Dixon indicator. Using this Dixon indicator, we got 0 + 1. 0 + 1 means call option. So we will place call option trade above the high of one candle. Okay, means we will place limit entry price. Always we have to place order at limit price. We don't have to take any action at market rate. Okay. So above the high of one candle, we will place proper entry. Okay. And below the low of zero candle, we will place a stop loss. Whenever we got 0 plus 2, then we will place in option we are buying. Okay, in option we are buying. So in option, whenever we got 0 plus 2, so we will place proper order as per means a proper entry we will place as per 2 candle, and we will place stop loss as per 0 candle. Then option we have to open chart, option chart of strike price, which will we will select as per this rule. Okay, and we will place proper limit price at the high of 2 candle, and we will place stop loss below the low of 0 candle, because in option input option also we are buying. Therefore in option buying we have to place order as per option chart. We will check setup in spot chart, but entry we will place as per option chart. Okay, this is option rule. And in option, we have to select strike price, which have a premium of approximate 200. Okay. First, we have to check call option trade available or put option trade available. After this, we have to check strike price. On today, call option trade available. So at the 9:45, we got 0 plus 1 setup on first 2 candle. After this, we have to open option chain of Dixon. Okay. In your trading account, in all trading account, we have facility to check option chain. Okay. So we will select strike price, which have a premium of approximate 200. Okay. This is totally depend on your choice. Okay, you can check option chain in your trading account, or you all can check option chain in this website of NSE also. Okay, so this is totally depend on your choice. You all can check option chain in your trading account also. In every trading account, option chain facility is available. If you add Dixon in your trading account in watch list, then you will get one option of option chain. You have to open option chain and you have to check strike price, which have a premium of 200. Okay, I hope you all have clarity. Okay, always we have to trade in current contract. Whenever before, for example, expiry is on 30 September. I am giving one example. Expiry is on 37. So from 28 September, we have to trade in next contract. Means on expiry day, on before 1 day of expiry, we have to select in next contract. We have to trade in next contract. On all other days, we have to trade in current contract. Okay, in this period. So now we have to trade in current contract of September. Okay. On today, call option trade available. So we have to select strike price of call option, which have a premium of approximate 200. Okay, whenever put option trade is available, means whenever we got 0 plus 2, we have to select strike price which have a premium of approximate 200. Rule is very simple. Okay. So on today, call option trade is available. So we have to select strike price which have a premium of approximate 200 or between 200 to 300. Okay. So you can select strike price of this 18,750, or you can select a strike price of 18,500. So always we have to select a strike price which have a premium of approximate 200 or between 200 to 300. Okay. I hope you all have clarity. Whenever we will go get 0 plus 2 setup, then we will select a strike price of put option which have a premium of between 200 to 300 or approximate 200. Okay. On today, we got 0 plus 1 setup. So we will do one thing. We will open option chart. First candle is 0 candle. Second candle is 1 candle. In future, rule is very simple. But as per future chart, we will place buy order above the high of first candle, and we will place stop loss below the low of 0 candle. Rule is very simple in future, right? Future rule is also available in this same sheet. Means as per 0 plus 1, we will take order in buy side. Above the high of 1 candle, we will place buy order. Below the low of 0 candle, we will place sell or sorry, stop loss order. Whenever we got 0 plus 2, we will place sell order below the low of 2 candle, and we will place SL order and stop loss order above the high of 0 candle. And we will take buffer of 10 paisa, then we will round up to next 10. Okay. The next multiple of 0. I hope you all have clarity about this point. Means as per my knowledge, maximum out of, for example, out of you all, maximum traders want to trade an option, right? As per my all team members feedback, you all want to trade in maximum of you want to trade in option. Therefore, first we are giving first priority on option. If if you have any other question related to future rule or option rule, then you all can discuss separately also. In this, we are giving first priority on future, so first priority on option rule. For knowledge of you all, I am giving some example of future rules also, but especially cash rule we will discuss in separate class. Okay, I hope you all have clarity. Okay, I will explain once this future rules also. Future rule is also works very simple because we will use same indicator of Dixon daily trade indicator for trade in Dixon option and Dixon future also. Okay, I hope you all have full clarity. Okay. So in future, we will place buy order as per 0 + 1 and we will place sell order as per 0 + 2. And we will do one thing. We will take buffer of 10 paisa, then we will round up to next 10. Okay. And we will use SL limit order, stop loss limit order. Always we have to trade in minimum 2 lot. Means as per investment, you all can select quantity. But always we have to trade in minimum 2 lots. Okay. I hope you all have full clarity. As per your investment, you all can maintain quantity, but minimum 2 lots we have to maintain because we have two target in Dixon indicator. First half quantity we have to book in first target of price. Remaining half quantity we have to hold till 315 till time target. Means as per rule of this Dixon indicator, we have two target. First target of price and second target of time. Okay, I hope you all have clarity. Always first half quantity we have to book in price target. Remaining half quantity we have to book in time target. Okay. In option, first target is 30 point. Means for example, if you all are trading with 1,20,000 capital. Okay. I am giving you example because we will maintain proper trade taker of option as per rule of capital of approximate 1,20,000. Okay. And this option trade taker we will maintain. So this future trade taker we will maintain as per rule of approximate 4 lot. Okay. Previously, lot size of means in previous year in 2024, lot size of Dixon is 100. Therefore, we are start maintaining with 2 lot. But right now, previous 2 lot right now is 4 lot because previously in 2024, lot size of Dixon is 100. But now lot size of Dixon is 50. Okay, 100 quantity means and right now 2 lot means 200 quantity means 4 lot. Okay, so previously lot size 100, so we have to trade in 2 lots. First half quantity of 100 we have to book in price target, and so remaining 50% quantity we have to hold till time target. But now lot size of Dixon is 50, so 200 quantity means now 4 lot because now lot size is 50. So half quantity in future we have to book in first target, remaining half quantity we have to hold till time target. Okay, in this way we have to trade in future. Means in future first target is 100 point. So first half quantity we have to book in profit of 10,000, remaining half quantity we have to hold till time target. In this way we have to do. And whenever we are in profit of first target, then we have to trail in SL at cost price and remaining 50% quantity we have to hold till 315. This rule we have to follow for future trading. Okay, but in option we have to book half quantity in target of 30 point because we are selecting strike price which have a premium of approximate 200. Okay, in 200 strike price, first target is 30 point. You all can trade as per your investment. Okay, in Dixon, for example, if you are trading in Dixon option with capital of 1,20,000. So you all can trade with 600 quantity because lot size of Dixon is approximate 50 right now. If you have a capital of 1,20,000, you all can trade in 12 lots. So first 6 lot means if you all can trade with approximate 600 quantity. means you all have to book first 50% quantity in target of 30 point. For example, if you all have a capital of 1,20,000, then half quantity means 300 quantity need to book at 30 point, means first half quantity need to book in profit of 9,000. Remaining half quantity we have to hold till 315. Okay, remaining 50% quantity we have to hold till 315, means first 50% quantity we are booking at price target in profit of 9,000, and remaining 50% quantity we have to book in profit of time target, means at the close of 3 p.m. candle, means at the time of 3:15. Close of 3:15, sorry, close of 3 p.m. candle is 3:15. So remaining 50% quantity we have to book at the close of 3 p.m. candle, means at 3:15 p.m. In this way, we have to trade. I am repeating once again all rules of this Dixon indicator for trade in Dixon. Okay. This same indicator we can apply in Suzlon Energy and MazDock stock also. Okay. I will guide you for all rules of MazDock and Suzlon also. Because in Suzlon, price is different. So we have to select strike price which have a premium of approximately 100, because lot size of Suzlon is 8,000 and lot size of MazDock is 175. So we can apply same indicator in MazDock and Suzlon also. But rule is little bit different because price is also different and lot size is also different. Okay, so as per rule. On today, trade not available, any trade not available in MazDock. On today, any trade, because on all candle zero is available, so trade is not available. But on in Dixon, on today 0+1 is available. We have to take entry as per 0+1 setup. Okay. As per rule of this Dixon indicator, we got 0+1 setup on Dixon on today. Okay. As per rule, we have to place order in call option on today above the high of one candle. Means first we have to select strike price, which have a premium of approximate 200. If you are trading in a strike price which have a premium of 200, means required capital in one lot is approximate 10,000. Okay. You all can easily trade in 12 lots if you have a capital of 1,20,000. Okay. If you have a less capital, then as per your investment, you can maintain quantity. So as per investment, you all can maintain quantity. Okay. I hope you all have full clarity. Means as per your investment, you can maintain quantity in trades of this Dixon indicator. Okay. So I am repeating all those once again. First, we have to check 0+1 setup or 0+2 setup. On today, we got 0+1 setup, means we have call option trade. After this, we have to select a strike price which have a premium of approximate 200. And we have to check option chart of this strike price, because as per rule of Dixon indicator on today, we got 0+1 setup on first two candle, means above the high of second candle, we have to place order, and below the low of first candle, we have to place a stop loss, because on first two candle, we got 0+1 setup. If any other day we got 0+1 setup on fourth candle or fifth candle, then as per fourth and fifth candle, we have to place entry and SL. Okay. So I hope you all have clarity about rules. Means if trade available on first two candle, so first we have to select call option strike price, which have a premium of approximate 200. Okay. Then we have to open option chart in trading account. In trading account of you all, you can open option chart. Okay. So in option chart, we have to do one thing. We have to check high of second candle in same time frame. Okay. As per rule of 0+1, we have trade, right? As per rule of 0+1, we have proper trade. So we have to select strike price of call option, and because we have 0+1 setup. And as per 0+1 setup, we have to select strike price which have a premium of approximate 200, and we have to open option chart in 15-minute time frame. Then we have to check high of second candle of option chart, because we have 0+1 setup on first two candle. In this chart, in spot chart, we got 0+1 as on first two candle. Therefore, in option also, we will place entry as per one candle. One candle is available. This indicator we don't have to apply in option chart. As per option chart, we will calculate entry and SL. Okay. Setup we have to check on this chart. So as per rule, setup is available on 9:15 candle and 9:30 candle. So second candle is one candle. So we have to open strike price. We have to open option chart of strike price which have a premium value of approximate 200 of call option. And we have to check high of 930 candle. We have to check high of second candle. We have to check high of one candle. Okay, of 930 candle on which one available in a spot chart. Okay, so we have to check high of one candle of option chart, and we have to place proper limit entry price above the high of 930 candle, and we have to check low of option chart of 915 candle because zero is available on 915 candle, and we have to place stop loss below the low of zero candle. Okay, so I hope you all have full clarity in option rules. Also means for check setup in option, we have to open this spot chart and we have to apply Dixon indicator on today in this spot chart. On first two candle 0+1 setup available. So as per this 0+1 setup in option chart, we will calculate entry and SL. Means at above the high of one candle of option chart, we will place limit price at entry. Okay, and we will place stop loss below the low of zero candle as per option chart. Okay, above the high of one candle, we will place limit price. Okay, we will place proper SL limit order, stop loss limit order. Okay, as per your investment, you can maintain full quantity. Half quantity you have to book in profit. If you are trading in 12 lots, if you are trading with capital of 1,20,000, then first half quantity we have to book in 9,000 profit. First half quantity we have to book in profit of 30 points. This 30 points is in premium. Okay, future first target is 100 points. Okay, whenever 100 points target means if you are trading in 200 quantity, if you are trading in 4 lot in option, so in future, then half quantity you all have to book in 10,000 profit. But in option, half quantity we have to book in profit of 30 points because we are trading in strike price which will be minimum or 200. Okay. So half quantity in future we have to book in 100 point target, but in half quantity in option we have to book in 30 points target. Okay, I hope you all have clarity. Means if entry price is 205, so first target is 235. Okay, half quantity we have to book in profit of 30 points. Then remaining half quantity we have to hold till 3:15 p.m. Okay, half quantity we have already booked at 30 points. Remaining half quantity we have to hold till time target. Okay, in option we have to keep remaining 50% quantity for 3:15 p.m. with same SL, same initial S. Okay, these rules we have to follow. I am repeating. In option first half quantity we have to book in profit of 30 points. If you are trading in 600 quantity, then half 300 quantity you all have to book in profit of 9,000 in 30 points. Remaining 50% quantity we have to hold for time target of 3:15 with same SL. Whenever 3:15 time available, then you all have to book full quantity, full remaining quantity at 3:15 p.m. Okay, this is intraday indicator. We don't have to hold this position for next trading day. Okay, this is intraday. If anyone want to trade in future, then half quantity in future we have to book in profit of 100 points. The remaining half quantity we have to hold till 3:15 p.m. But in future we have to trail SL at cost price. Okay, in future we have to trail SL at cost price after first target. Okay, means for example, if out of you all, if anyone want to trade in future, then you all have to do one thing. In future, on today, buy order executed, because as per rule means sorry, in whenever you all will apply this Dixon indicator in future, then you will get different setup because you all aware about future setup and spot setup. In future, values is different. So sometimes you will get proper trade in future, but you will not get proper trade in spot chart. Okay. So on today, as per rule of Dixon option, we got trade. But as per rule of future on today, till now entry not triggered, because on today in future chart on first two candle trade is not available. Okay, trade is not available because 0+0 setup available. Up on third candle also 0+0 available. On fourth candle also 0+0 available. On fifth candle also 0+0 available. But on this 10:30 candle and 10:15 candle 0+1 available. So in future entry not triggered till now, because as per rule on today, in future, on 10-15 candle 0 available and on 10-15 candle 1 available. As per this 0 plus 1 setup, we will place order in future. But as per this setup, till now entry not executed. Okay. So on today, as per future rule, we got trade on these two candle, but till now entry not triggered. We will not place any order at market rate. After this also we will we got 0 plus 1 setup, but always we have to trade as per first trade. Okay. Means as per rule, we have to focus in option and future in both always on first two opposite signal. I am repeating you once again. If we got buy trade, if entry not triggered in this first buy trade, and if we got second buy trade before 11:15, then we will not place order as per new trade. Okay. If buy trade not executed of first buy trade, means entry, if entry not triggered as per first buy trade, then we will not revise our entry as per new buy trade of same direction. Because as per rule, if we got buy trade, then we will place buy order as per the same first buy trade. Okay. If entry not executed, then also we have to wait for entry till 3:15 p.m. But we will not change our entry price from first buy trade to second buy trade. If we got, for example, sell trade, if entry not triggered in sell trade, then if we got any other trade before 11:15, then we will not revise entry as per new sell trade. Because if first buy trade available, if entry not executed, then we will wait for entry in this first buy trade, or if any other trade we got in opposite direction, then always we have to trade in first two opposite signal. Okay. So always we have to focus on first two opposite signal. If entry not triggered in this first buy trade, and if we got second sell trade, then out of these two opposite direction trade, we have to take in entry in first one, which is executed first. I am repeating once again. If we got buy trade, if entry not triggered in buy trade, then we will wait for same direction. Sorry, we will wait for entry of this trade. But if entry also not executed and we got any other opposite direction trade, then out of two opposite direction trade, we have to take entry in first two opposite direction trade. Okay. Means we don't have to revise entry as per new same direction trade. Rule number 14 is important. Only first two opposite signal we have to focus. But this condition we will get very less day, because before 11:15, very less days we will get two trade in opposite direction. Okay. Always we will get one, maximum time we will get one trade. Always we have to focus on first one trade. But if any day, if we got buy trade and entry not executed in buy trade, and we got any other sell trade before 11:15, then out of these two trade of buy and sell, we have to focus on first one, which is executed first. Okay. So rule number 14 in option, out of first two opposite trade signal, we have to focus on first one, which is executed first. In future, as per this rule number 10, we have to trade on first two opposite signal, which is executed first. Maximum time we will get one trade only, like this. On today, in future, we got one trade, but entry not triggered. After this one trade, we got one more trade in same direction, but this is same direction trade, so we will not revise entry from here to here. Okay. Because as per rule, we will take entry as per first trade. Okay. If, for example, if we got buy trade, and I am giving you example, if any other day, for example, after this buy trade, if sell trade available, so out of these two trade, we have to take entry in first one, which is executed first. Okay. But on today buy trade is available, so we have to focus on buy side only if entry triggered. But if till now entry not executed, so we will wait for entry. If entry not triggered till 3:15, then we will cancel pending order. Okay. We don't have to check market again and again, because always this Dixon indicator provide us proper trade between 9:45 to 11:15. First, we have to check at 9:45 at the close of 9:30 candle. but trade not available at 9:45, means we got on to proper trade at the close of 10:30 candle, but till now entry not triggered. After this we have placed proper limit price entry, means we proper entry price at limit order with proper stop loss and target. We have target also. First target in future is 100 points. Second target is approximate at till at 3:15 p.m. we have to book. Okay, means we have two target in future. First target is 100 points. Second target is 3:15 p.m. First target is price, or second target for time. Okay, we have to place two target of price and time. Okay, but on today entry not triggered. If entry not triggered till 3:15 p.m., then we will cancel pending order. Okay, I hope you all have full clarity. On yesterday, we got trade. On yesterday, we got, sorry, on yesterday, no, on Friday, we got trade. But before yesterday, also, we got trade. Before this, also, we got a trade. Like this, on this day, we got a trade. So, in this way, we have to follow. But if we talk about spot chart, so in a spot chart, on today, we got call option trade and option. As per 0+1 setup, we have to place proper limit entry price with stop loss and target. Okay, I hope you all have full clarity. Okay, so as per these rules, we have to follow. Okay, on this day also, we got 0+1 setup on third candle and fourth candle. So above the high of this fourth candle, we have to place entry. Below the low of this third candle, we have to place a stop loss, and we have to close trade. If target and SL not achieved full day, for example, if any day, first target also not achieved, then full quantity we have to book at the close of 3 p.m. candle. Means at time target, we have to close full quantity, because this is intraday indicator. We don't have to hold any position for next trading day. Okay. So on this day, we have to exit full. Means on first two candle, we did not get any trade. We got proper trade after fourth candle, because on third candle, zero available, on fourth candle, one available. Above the high of this one candle, we have to place entry, and we below the low of this one zero candle, we have to place stop loss. We got entry above the high of this candle. Always do you have to follow one rule. For place order in this option, we have to take buffer of 2 points. Okay, 2 to 3 points we have to take buffer. In future, we have to take buffer of 10 paisa, then we have to round up to next 10. Okay, but in this option, we have to take buffer of 2 points. Okay, in this, we have to round up to next 0, round up to next 10. Okay, but in this option, we have to take buffer of 2 points. So we got proper, as per option chart, we have to take buffer of 2 points. So, on this day, we got proper entry in this candle, and we have to place first target of 30 points and second target of time target. On this day, first target we got in this candle. So first half quantity we have to book in profit of 9,000 out of the 600 quantity. If you all are trading with 1,20,000 capital. Okay. On this day, 9,000 profit we have booked in this candle. Then remaining quantity we have to hold till 350. At the close of 3 p.m. candle, we have to book remaining 50% quantity. Remaining 50% quantity provide profit of provide a small profit. Half quantity provide profit of 9,000. Remaining 50% quantity provide a small profit. In this way, we will exit full quantity on same day. Okay. On this day, we have we got proper trade. We will exit in a small loss. On today, sorry, on this day, trade is not available because we got trade, but entry not triggered. Therefore, no trade for the day on this day, because if you check for 5th September, on first two candle, we got proper trade. On 5th September, on first two candle, we got 0+1 setup. As per rule, above the high of first, sorry, above the high of second candle, we have to place proper entry price. But entry not executed till 3 p.m. So means on this day, trade not executed. We got proper trade on 5th September, but entry not executed. On 5th September, we got trade on first two candle. But above the high of this one candle, we have to place entry. But entry not triggered. So on this day, trade not available. Because after this first buy trade, if we got any other sell trade, if we got any other setup of 0+2, then we have to follow first one trade which is executed first. But after this buy trade, we did not get any other opposite direction trade, so we have to place order as per the same buy direction trade. means entry not executed. We got trade, but entry not executed. So we have to avoid trade for the day because entry not executed till 3 p.m. Always we have to wait for 3 p.m. If not trade not executed till you don't have to watch market full day. After this, we have placed order, but entry not executed, we will cancel pending order at 3 p.m. Okay. On today, we got proper 0+1 setup and we have placed one order in call option. And call option trade, we have to hold with proper target and SL. Half quantity target is first 30 and half quantity target is 30 points, remaining half quantity target at 3:15 p.m. Okay. If target and SL not achieved on any day, then always we have to exit full quantity at 3:15 p.m. at the target time target. In this way, we have to follow. Okay. As per same rule, means on today we got trade in option. Okay. In call option, we have to take in trade. And sometimes you will get very good handsome profit also like this day, on this day we with capital of 1,20,000 on this day, on single day we got profit of 43,000, right? 43,700 is profit as per rule of 1,20,000 capital. In 1,20,000, if anyone traded with 12 lots, means 600 quantity, because we are selecting strike price of 200. If anyone selecting to a strike price which have a premium of 200 with capital of 1,20,000, easily can trade with 12 lots. Means everyone can trade with 600 quantity if anyone have a capital of 1,20,000. So with capital of 1,20,000, half quantity first we have booked in profit of 9,000. Remaining half quantity we have to hold till 3:15 p.m. So Dixon provide very good profit like this day also many days. Means remaining 50% quantity we are holding for time target. First half quantity, first half quantity always we have to book in profit of price. Means half quantity we have to book in profit of 30 point in option. Okay. On this day also half quantity we have booked in profit of 9,000 out of 600 quantity. Remaining half quantity we have to hold till 3:15 p.m. till time target. At the close of 3 p.m. candle, remaining 50% quantity we have to hold. On this day, remaining 50% quantity only provide very good handsome profit of approximate 34,000, because full quantity provide profit of approximate 43,000 profit. Maximum time remaining 50% quantity provides very good handsome profit. So you have to follow rule of both target. Half quantity we have to book in profit of price. Remaining half quantity we have to hold till time target of 3:15 p.m. Okay. Means because every month Dixon provide good movement for some days like this also. Okay. Means on this day we got 0+1 setup. Half quantity we have booked in profit of 30 point. Remaining half quantity we have to hold till 3:15 p.m. Okay. In this way you all have to book. Okay. I hope you all have full clarity in rules. So like this, you all have to take entry. Okay. After this, I will guide you about this MazDock also. Okay. I hope you all can see. Hello. I hope you all can see Dixon on my screen. Now we have discussed Dixon rule. Okay. After this, we will check some trades of MazDock and Suzlon also, because as per same rules of Dixon daily trade indicator, we have to follow MazDock and Suzlon also with Dixon. First target is different for MazDock and Dixon Suzlon also, because Dixon have a price of approximate 17,900. Okay. But Suzlon price is different. Suzlon lot size is also different. And MazDock price is also different. MazDock lot size is also different. So always half quantity we have to book in first target in 30 points profit in Dixon. But first target of MazDock is different because lot size is also different. Okay. The rule is very simple. Of Dixon daily trade indicator. Same rules we will apply in this MazDock stock also and Suzlon also. Okay. I hope you all have full clarity in the rules of Dixon daily trade indicator. Same rule we have to follow. Same rule. Okay. Rule is same for MazDock and for Suzlon also. But this Dixon daily trade indicator, mainly we will follow in these three stocks: Dixon, MazDock, and Suzlon. Because ROI in these three stock is more compared to other stock. Okay, so if you all have some extra capital, then also you all have to diversify in these three stock. Or if you all want to diversify in other indicators of swing trading or intraday trading, then you all can take more information about other indicators also. But always this Dixon indicator we have to follow in these three stocks only, because ROI of Dixon indicator is more compared to other stock in these three stocks. I hope you all have full clarity. Okay. I am repeating you all rules on MazDock chart and Suzlon chart also. Okay. Rule is same. If anyone want to trade in Suzlon, then we have to check on this Suzlon chart. On today, as per rule of Dixon daily trade indicator, trade not available in Suzlon, because in all candles, we have 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is we don't have any setup. Okay, 0 plus 0 is not a setup. 0 plus 1 or 0 plus 2 is setup. If on any two candle we got 0 plus 2, means we have setup. If any on two candle we got 0 plus, means we have proper setup. So setup of Dixon indicator is 0 plus 1 or 0 plus 2. But 0 plus 0 is not. So on today, out of first 8 candles, entry not available on any two candle. Okay, so trade not available until 11:15 only, till at the close of 11 a.m. candle only we have to check. So at the close of 11 a.m. candle we have checked, but till completion of first 8 candle we don't have any trade in Suzlon. Okay, so means trade not available on today in Suzlon. I am repeating once again. As per rule of Dixon indicator, if trade available in MazDock or in Suzlon also, then we can trade. Okay. Out of these three stock, Dixon, Suzlon, and MazDock, if trade available in any stock as per rule of Dixon indicator, then we have to follow. If trade not available in these three stock, then we don't have to follow. Because we don't have to follow this Dixon indicator in any other stock, because ROI is more in these stock. Okay, these three stock compared to other stock. In other stock, we have to apply other indicator. For all other indicator, we have separate indicator. Like you means if anyone want to trade in all stock, then we have separate indicator of universal daily trading indicator, right? This universal daily trading indicator provide very good and some profit in all other stock. For separate 8 other stock, we have this indicator of 1030 M effect indicator. This 1030 M effect indicator we will apply in 8 other stock, including TCS, Infosys, Bajaj Finance, and many other 8 stocks. Okay. And if anyone want to trade in 4 stock, including HAL, Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finance, and including these 3 stock with Dixon. Means if anyone want to trade in 4 selected stock, we have separate stock, right? We have separate indicator of Bansi, right? This Bansi our program indicator provide profit of 14 lakh 60,000 in only these three stock. In only these three stock, Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finance, Dixon, and HCL. I mean, this indicator of Bansi have it different. Okay. So if anyone want to trade in other stock, then you all can explore rules of this Bansi R program indicator. But Dixon indicator we have to follow in these three stocks only. Okay. Means in and these other stocks, including HAL, Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finance, this indicator provide profit of 14 lakh 60,000 in only last 8 to 10 months, right? In only last 8 to 10 months, this indicator provide profit of 40 lakh 60,000 as per rule of Bansi R program indicator, means this Bansi indicator. Okay. Means we have separate indicator of crude oil also. Means if anyone want to trade in using same capital which we are using in Nifty, Bank Nifty stocks till 315, same capital you all can use in commodity also. But we have separate indicator for crude oil. and we have separate indicator for gold and natural gas also. But this indicator of Dixon we have to use on these three stocks. I hope you all have clarity. For all other segment, we have separate indicator. We have scalping crude oil indicator also. We have swing crude oil indicator also, like these indicator, accuracy fix indicator. Okay, and we have separate accuracy fix indicator also of swing indicator of Nifty, Bank Nifty, so Nifty, crude oil, and Bitcoin and gold also. We have separate swing indicator for all other segments also. Okay, so we have separate indicator of all segment, but this Dixon indicator provide more annualized return in these stocks. Therefore, we are focusing on these three stocks. If you all want to trade in all other stock, then you can explore information of all other indicators, or you can ask any other questions related to all other indicators also if you all have any inquiry. But if you have capital, and if you want to trade in rules of the as per rules of this Dixon indicator, then you have to focus on these three stocks. Okay, MazDock, Suzlon, and Dixon. This indicator we have to apply, and as per rule of this indicator, on today in trade and not available in Suzlon, but on today trade available in Dixon. Okay, so in Suzlon, on today trade not available, on yesterday also trade not available in Suzlon. I hope you all aware about rule. If 0+1 available means we have trade, if 0+2 available means we have trade. But on yesterday also 0+1 or 0+2 not available. So on today also trade is not available in Suzlon. On yesterday also trade not available in Suzlon. Yesterday means on Thursday, right? On Friday. On Friday also trade not available. But on Thursday, we got very good handsome trade in this Suzlon. On today, as per rule of Dixon indicator, trade not available and Suzlon. On Friday also not available. But on Thursday, this Suzlon provide very good handsome profit, because as per Dixon indicator rule, always we have to follow first two opposite direction trade, right? We have to trade as per rule of first two opposite direction trade. This rule number 14 we have to apply. We got two opposite direction trade. Okay, first we got on first candle we got 1, on second candle we got 0. 1 plus 0 is not a setup. Okay, because setup is 0+1 or 0+2. After the 0 candle we got 1, means we got 0+1 on on second and third candle. On second candle 0 available, on third candle 1 available, means we have to place order above this 1 candle. Okay, we got 0+1 setup. But entry not executed as per this 0+1 setup. After this, before 11:15, we got one more setup of 0+2. Means we got two opposite direction setup. If entry not, first we got call option trade. If entry not triggered in first call option trade, then we have to ignore second call option trade if we got any other call option trade before 11:15. Means if we got any other same direction trade, then we have to take entry as per first trade. But if we got any other opposite direction trade, then out of two opposite direction trade, we have to take entry in first one, which is executed first. Okay. On this day, first we got call option trade, but entry not triggered in call option trade. After this, before 11:15, we got one more setup. Means we got 0+2 setup. 0+2 setup means put option trade. So first trade we got for call option, second trade we got for put option. Out of these first two opposite direction signal, we have to trade in first one, which is executed first. Okay, means in future we got two trade. First is buy, second is sell. But buy trade and entry not executed, so we have to take entry in sell trade, and we got very good handsome profit in sell trade. In option we got two trade, call option trade and put option trade, but entry not executed in call option trade, but we got entry in put option trade. So out of first two opposite signal, we have to take entry in first one, which is executed first. So on this day, on 4th September, we got trade in call option, but entry not executed. After this, we got trade in put option. Out of these two trade of call option and put option, we got entry in put option. So we have to take entry in this put option, and we got very good and some profit. So in Dixon, we have to select strike price which have a premium of approximate 200, and after entry first target is 30 point, first half quantity we have to book in 30 point, and remaining half quantity we have to hold till 3:15 p.m. Okay, with same and same. In option, always in Suzlon energy, always you all have to select strike price which have a premium of between 1 to 1.5. Okay, you all have to select a strike price because lot size of this Suzlon energy is 8,000. Okay, lot size of this Suzlon energy is 8,000. Okay, means for example, if you are selecting strike price of 1 rupee, and if you are trading in one lot, then you all can purchase one lot in only 8,000 investment. But always you all have to trade with minimum two lots, because first half quantity we have to book in price target, remaining half quantity we have to hold till time target. Okay, first target in this Suzlon is 20 paisa. Okay, 20 paisa first target in option, and 50 paisa is first target in this future. I hope you all have full clarity about option rule. In option, in Suzlon, always we have to select strike price which have a premium of between 1 to 1.5. Okay, means you can select strike price which have a premium of 1 rupee or 1.05 or 1.4 or 1.5. Means always we have to select strike price which have a strike price. Always we have to select strike price which have a premium of between 1 to 1.5. Okay, and first target in Suzlon is 20 paisa because lot size is 8,000. If you have a capital of, for example, means if you, I am repeating you once again. Okay, always we have to select this type price which have a premium of approximate 1 rupee to 1.5. For example, if you have a capital of approximate 1 lakh, then easily you can, means if you have a capital of approximate 120, then you can trade in 15 lot. But always my suggestion is to maintain same quantity. If you are trading with capital of 1 lakh 20 in Suzlon, then also you have to maintain capital of 1 lakh 20 in Dixon. If you are trading with only 50,000 in Dixon, then also you have to and diversify same capital of 50,000 in Suzlon and MazDock also. Means always you have to trade with same investment in all three stocks. Okay, I hope you have full clarity about investment diversification. You all don't have to invest full amount in only one stock. Always you all have to diversify your investment in equally in all three stocks. Okay, for example, if you have a capital of approximate 50,000 also in Suzlon, then always you have to trade with approximate 6 lot. So as per your investment, you all can maintain quantity. Okay. So you have to select a strike price which have a premium of 1 to 1.5, and always you all have to trade with equal investment. Okay. And you all have to book half quantity and 20 as a target, remaining half quantity at 350. Means we have two target. First target is price, second target is time. So half quantity we have to book in profit of 20 paisa. 20 paisa means, for example, if you are trading with only capital of 60,000, means you easily can purchase approximate 6 lot. Means then you have to do one thing. You have to book half quantity in 20 paisa. 20 paisa target means you have to book profit of 9,600. Okay. In this way, you have to always you have to follow one rule. As per your investment, you can maintain quantity. But if you are trading with 12 lot, half quantity you have to book in profit of 20%. Remaining half quantity you have to book at the close of 3:15 p.m. If you are trading in two lot also, for example, if you are diversifying capital of only 20,000 in Suzlon, then also you have to do one thing. Half quantity means first lot you have to book in profit of 20%. Second lot you have to book in profit of time target. Okay, these rules you have to follow. I hope you all have full clarity in first target and second target. Okay. of this Dixon indicator in Suzlon also. So I hope you all have clarity in Suzlon. In Dixon, we have to select the strike price which have a premium of 200. First target is 30 points, second target is 315 PM and time target. In Suzlon, we have to select strike price which have a premium of 1 to 1.5. First target is 20%, second target is 315 PM, and second target is time target. Okay. After this, we will discuss all rules of MazDock also. MazDock also provide good movement. Okay, maximum time maximum provide good movement. Lot size of MazDock is 175. So you all have to do one thing. You all have to book first half quantity in MazDock in profit of 8 points. I am repeating once again. First target in Dixon is in option is 30 points. Second target is time target. In Suzlon, first target is 20 pesos. Second target is 350. In MazDock, first target is 8 points and second target is 3:15 p.m. Okay, like this, MazDock also provide very good and some profit. Means on this day we got 0+2 setup. On first two candle we did not get any setup because 0+0 available. A third candle also 0 available. We did not get any setup. On fourth also trade not available. On fifth also trade not available. But on this sixth candle we got proper trade. Because on this sixth candle we got 2 and on fifth candle 0 available. We got 0+2 setup. And in this 0+2 we have to place put option trade below the low of this two candle. Means in future we have to place sell order below the low of candle, but in option we have to buy. In option we have to trade an option buy. So we have to open option chart of strike price which have a premium of between 100 to 150. Means in this MazDock you have to select strike price which have a premium of between 100 to 150. Okay, because lot size of all three stock Dixon, MazDock and Suzlon is different. Therefore, you all have to select different strike price in all three. In Dixon, we have to select a strike price which have a premium of approximate 200 because lot size is 50. In Suzlon, we have to select a strike price which have a premium of 1 to 1.5. In MazDock, lot size is 175. We have to select a strike price which have a premium of approximate 100 to 150. First target in MazDock is 8 points. Second target is 3:15 p.m. Okay. On this day, we have to place put option trade because 0+2 setup is available. So we have to open option chart and we have to check high of option chart of 10:30 candle because on 10:30 candle we got 2. Means we have option trade above the high of 10 candle because we have to place above the high because we are buying. Okay, in option we are placing order in option buying. Okay, so in option we have to open option chart, we have to place limit order at above the high of 10:30 candle and we have to place a stop loss below the low 10:15 candle as per option chart because as per 2 candle we have to place entry, as per 0 candle we have to place a stop loss in option chart. Okay, half quantity we have booked in 8-point target, remaining half quantity we have to have booked in and target of time target. Okay, means we have booked the full quantity in good profit. Like this, MazDock also provide handsome profit many days. Okay, on this also we got 0+2 setup on these two candle on sixth candle and seventh candle. Okay, below the low of this candle we have to place put option trade and in first target in 8-point profit we got good profit of for example if anyone trading with I am giving you example as per your investment you all can maintain quantity. If anyone trading with 1,20,000 capital, then half quantity we have to book in profit of this 8 point and remaining half quantity we have to hold till 350. At the close of 3 p.m. candle, we got a small profit in remaining 50% quantity. And in first target, we got good profit in first 50% quantity. In this way, we have to trade. Okay. So I hope you all have full clarity. Half quantity we have to book in profit of 8 points in MazDock. Remaining half quantity we have to book at 315 p.m. On today, we did not get any trade in MazDock. On today, trade not available in MazDock also. On today, trade not available in Suzlon also. But whenever trade available, as per rule of Dixon indicator, we got very good annualized return in Dixon also. We got very good annualized return in MazDock also. We got very good annualized return in Suzlon also. Therefore, as per rule of Dixon daily trade indicator, we will follow these three stocks. Okay. Out of these three stocks, sometimes we will get trade in one stock. Like today, on today we got proper trade in Dixon. Sometimes we will get trade in two stock. Out of three stocks, sometimes we will get trade in two stock, and sometimes in Dixon or MazDock, or sometimes in Dixon or Suzlon, okay, sometimes in MazDock or Dixon. Sometimes we will get trade in all three stocks also, in Dixon, MazDock or Suzlon also. Okay. If trade not available in Suzlon or MazDock, then we will not follow Suzlon or MazDock on today. We will follow only Dixon. So out of all these three stocks, we have to follow in which trade executed as per rule. So on today, as per rule, trade executed in Dixon. So we have to trade in Dixon only. Okay. If trade available in all three in on any day, then you have to follow all three stock as per rule of Dixon indicator. I hope now you all have full clarity in all these three stocks for trade using Dixon daily trade indicator in future or in option. Okay. Because in cash, we will follow two indicator, Dixon early and Dixon daily trade indicator. But for trade in Dixon future and option, we have to follow on this single indicator. Okay, as per your investment, you all can trade in Dixon cash or Dixon future or Dixon options. Okay, for Dixon option, now we have discussed all rules. Dixon future is also rules is same, but means in Dixon future, you have to place proper order directly as per the future chart. Okay, I hope you all have full clarity. For trade in option, we have to apply indicator on spot chart, and we have to calculate entry and SL as per option chart. And first target is fixed, second target is also fixed. First target of price, second target of time. In these three stocks, these rules we have to follow. I hope you all have full clarity in rules of Dixon indicator. Okay. Now you all can start trading as per these rules of Dixon indicator. If you all want to trade in swing trading also, if you all want to take mentorship in live market from our side on daily basis, then also we have different indicators for trade with our mentorship also. Okay, like this accuracy fix indicator. In this accuracy fix indicator, we will provide facility to trade with us also. Means we will take entry in our trading account, and we will take a screenshot, and we will share in personal WhatsApp group. All traders who is part of these accuracy fix swing trading indicators of Nifty swing, crude oil swing, gold swing, and Bitcoin swing, and stock swing also, because we have separate scanner of accuracy fix scanner for trade in selected momentum stocks in swing trading as per rule of this accuracy fix indicator. So anyone want to take mentorship in live market from our side, then you can discuss with our team member for this accuracy fix indicator, because in this we will provide personal mentorship in live market from our side on daily basis for every trade. Whenever these accuracy fix indicators provide us proper trade, then we will take entry in our trading account, and we will share screenshot of proper trade in personal WhatsApp group of all traders who is part of this accuracy fix indicator. Means we will at the time of entry also, at the time of means everything. Whenever we have to trade SL, then also we will send proper screenshot of trade. Whenever we have to book profit, then also we have to send proper update in group. So we will provide proper update for every trade, for entry, target, SL, and trailing SL also, for everything, for all trades of this accuracy fix indicator. Okay, and we have other separate indicator also, including alert universal indicator and Nifty indicator, Nifty daily trading indicator also we have, and we have separate at best adaptive indicator also, which we will use within Nifty, and we have separate bank Nifty indicator also, which is time tested, always generate proper trade at fixed time. We have yellow method indicator also, which provide proper trade directly on chart. Means using these indicators, we don't have to calculate entry price also. Means we will get proper entry target SL on same chart on trading view. These indicators directly provide us proper trade on chart. Okay, we have BTST indicator also. Means if anyone want to use same capital in both part, then traders can use between 9:45 to 9:315. We have to use capital in intraday. Same capital at 3:15. We have to diversify in BTST stock, and we will in BTST stock we have to book profit on next day at 9:30. Okay, BTST, in BTST we have to use capital on only for overnight. Means at 3:15 we have to take entry, and on next day at 9:30 we have to book profit. For intraday we have to use capital between 9:45 to 3:15. The same capital we can use in both. If anyone don't want to trade in BTST, then same capital can use in Nifty Bank Nifty stocks and in commodity also. Because between 9:15 to 3:30, we can use this capital in Nifty Bank Nifty stocks. Same capital we can use after 3:30 in commodity. Okay, so these rules and we have to follow. I hope you all have full clarity in rules of Dixon daily trade indicator. If you have any doubt in all rules of Dixon daily trade indicator for trade in Dixon future or option in MazDock or in Dixon or in Suzlon, then feel free to connect with me on my number. Okay. In live market also you can connect with me for your all questions. After market also you all can connect with me for your all questions. Okay. If you want to take more information about any other indicator of swing or intraday of any segment, then feel free to connect with me for your all questions related to our any indicators of intraday swing of any indicator. Okay, I hope you all have full clarity now. Now I am closing this session. If you have any other doubt, then feel free to connect with me on my numbers, which you already okay, by which you all have received June link. So I hope you all have my number. And if you have any other doubt, then feel free to connect with me. Right now, I am closing session. I hope you all have full clarity in all rules of Dixon daily trade indicator for trade in MazDock, Dixon, and Suzlon. Okay. Now I am closing. I hope you will ask all questions on my number if you have. Okay. Now also if you have any question, then feel free to ask from me. And if you have any other question, then feel free to connect with me on my number. Okay. If anyone want to confirm proper trade in live market also, then we are actively available. For example, on tomorrow, if you generate trade, then if you want to take confirmation from our side in live market also, then feel free to take confirmation from our side. Okay, if you generate trade and if you, for example, if you generate correct trade, then we will provide you confirmation from our side. If any of you generate wrong trade, then we will provide you proper guidance from our side. Okay, if you all want to take confirmation from our side for all trade, then we are actively available in live market for provide confirmation from our side for every trade. Okay, right now I am closing. If you have any doubt, then feel free to connect with me on my WhatsApp or you can call me also. Thank you, everyone.